To replace the inlet diffuser in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Open the dishwasher door and remove the lower dish rack. Rotate the microfilter counterclockwise, then lift up to remove. Lift out the filter screen. You can now use the small flathead screwdriver to help pry the old diffuser out. To install the new inlet diffuser, align it behind the retaining tabs in the sump and snap it into place. Realign the filter screen on the floor of the tub with the rear of the screen positioned under the diverter cover tabs. Realign the microfilter in the sump and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Replace the lower dish rack, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.